Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Akil Ahmad Javed from Lahore, Pakistan once again. Today we will discuss the problem of nail biting basically. First of all, we should know what are the reasons behind nail biting. There are two or three or four reasons. It can be only curiosity. The second reason can be it is only a boredom. You are bored and you want to try to pass your time. So boredom can be another reason for that. Stress management can be another reason. If you are in stress, you want to manage your stress, so you go for this problem. It may be a habit also. It may be imitation also. A patient can see any person and he can go for imitation of that person. So these are the reasons behind nail biting. Now we will discuss the complications. First of all, it can damage, long time it can damage your nails also. And the second complication may be you or your patient can get infection from this part, or your patient may bite their nail, they can get infection because of bleeding of nails. Now we will discuss the homeopathic treatment of this problem. First of all, the first and the foremost remedy is natron. And the indication of natron is dryness. Here or the patient nail may be dried. And the other symptom of nail may be cracked also. So these are the two leading symptoms for selected. There are also some other medicine which we can use for this problem and select for this problem. But natron is the first medicine. So, dear followers, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. Please keep watching our channel. The channel name is Homeopathic Treatment basically. And if you have liked this video, then please press the tab of like and also press the tab of subscribe, so that you can get our video as we upload it. Thank you very much, Dr. Akil, Lahore, Pakistan. Thank you.